Hi guys, welcome back to Warthog Defense. I'm Sead. This is the best place to be for the reports and updates on Ukrainian war. Rebellion or not, Russia's in a bind. They have to send Wagner fighters back to the front line due to lack of troops. We've seen how they turned out the first time, but who are we to question the brilliant Russian generals?
Wagner private military contractors have returned to the front lines in Ukraine and are currently in the Avdiivka area, reported Ukrainian Defense Intelligence. Russia is forming a volunteer corps that will consist of 18,000 people, veterans of the special military operation that is currently in the subordination to Russian Defense Ministry. These are ex-Wagnerites. They are used because of their combat experience. Wagnerites use the same approach as in Bakhmut last year, constant assaults and getting results at any cost. 2 Russian vehicles destroyed most likely by FPV. Lads didn't make it. As usual, the lads were fighting for the liberation of something.
Хочу показать вам, что такое война и как работают наши парни-водители. Вот что остается. 2 машины заходило за пацанами. Это не пиар, это то, чтобы вы понимали, зачем вы нам помогаете и за что мы здесь воюем. Парни не успели дойти. Это и есть так называемая зона СВО. Для нас это просто война за освобождение и против фашизма, чтобы наши дети не видели этого больше.
And in any war, sometimes we have bad news. First US-supplied M1A1 Abrams main battle tank in Ukrainian service seen damaged or destroyed. Blowout panels can be seen deployed. On the other side, nothing is new. A column of broken Russian heavy equipment in the Roboton direction. Eastern Ukraine, a Ukrainian BMP-2 engages a Russian position with 30mm 2A42 autocannon fire. Donetsk Oblast, a pair of Ukrainian Mi-24 Hind gunships fly at low level near the front, both armed with US-supplied Hydra 70 rockets in M261 rocket pods. Also, outside of Robotyne, IR drone view of Ukrainian forces destroying a retreating Russian armored carrier after a failed assault. If we had solved the problem with Georgia in 2008, we would have had a land border in Armenia, and life in Armenia would be very different, says Russian propagandist Solovyev. Unpunished evil always leads to more evil.
Не было бы никакой проблемы Армении, если бы в 2008 году мы не остановились. Вот мы бы решили проблему Грузии в 2008 году, у нас была бы сухопутная граница в Армению, и в Армении была бы совсем другая жизнь. Ну, опять,
не было бы границы. Ни с Грузией, ни с Арменией.
Совершенно верно.
Как и должно быть.
Как и должно быть.
Mediazona reports with reference to the Delphi Estonia investigation that Russian propagandist Vladimir Solovyev receives 1.5 billion rubles, $16.1 million annually for information and ideological war. This is the price of patriotism and turning people into murderers and cannon fodder. Well, fucking hell, to finish the day off, A Danish-supplied Caesar self-propeller howitzer was destroyed by a Russian Zala Lancet, which hit it into the ammo stowage, causing an ammunition cook-off. So to add up, Russia showed videos of US M1A1 Abrams destroyed Norwegian NASAMS, Danish, Caesar, Swedish Archer, Ukrainian P-18. And for the end, some military porn. Kurdish PKK released footages of their attack on a position of Turkish forces in Kurdistan region. The group used a captured M2 heavy machine gun, M4 carbine, RPG-7 launcher with heat rockets, and AKS-74U carbines, along with thermal scopes.
Guys, thanks for watching this video. We can see that Soloviev is spreading his patriotism for money. That will be nice if people are not dying. Stay with Warthog Defense, comment, like, subscribe, become our member and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.